class, welcome back. Welcome back once again to your maths class. So what we have to do today? Today we are going to start addition of units of weight. Okay. Though I have already explained you some of the things related to this, but today we will do the questions. Okay, questions based on addition of units of length. Today we will do questions that are based on addition of units of length. Okay. So let us start. Now, first of all, we are going to do the question of addition of unit of weight, that too without regrouping. Okay, without regrouping. First of all, the question that we are going to do, those questions will be of without regrouping. So let us start now. The first question that I am going to take is 7 kg 570 gram plus 2 kg 300 gram. 7 kg 570 gram plus 2 kg 300 gram. Okay, so this is the first question. This question we have to do. Now, what we will do? First of all, we will make two headings. That is one for kg and other one for gram. Let us make kg and at a distance gram. Now, 7 kg 570 gram. Okay, so 7 kg 570 gram. In this we have to add 2 kg 300 gram. Okay, in this we have to add 2 kg 300 gram. Now, what we will do? We will perform the addition. Okay, let us do the addition. So first we are having here 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 we will get 0. Next we are having 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 you will get, when you will add 7 and 0, how much you will get? You will get just 7. Okay. We'll write 7 here. Now next is 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 you will get 5 plus 3. How much will get? 8. Okay. 8. Now next is 7 plus 2. Next question is what? 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Now our answer for this question is 9 kg 870 gram. Our answer for this question is 9 kg 870 gram. Okay, note it down. Come on, note it down. Okay. Now kids, though I have already explained you how we can convert units of weight, that means how you can convert from kg to gram. Now, based on this answer, I am also going to show the conversion again. Why? Because let us revise how we can convert kg to gram. Okay, let us do. So, I am going to erase. We will back to the topic after saying how we can convert. 9 kg 870 gram. Now my question is 9 kg 870 gram and this you have to change into gram. Okay, so how we will do it? If we have to convert this into gram, how we'll do it? See, our first line will remain the same, that is 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. This line will remain the same, that is 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. What next we are going to write? 9 kg 870 gram. 9 kg 870 gram. Okay, so 9 kg 870 gram means 9 kg plus 870 gram. Okay. So 870 gram is already given in gram, so we won't convert it. What we will convert? We will convert only 9 kg. We will convert only 9 kg. Why? Because 870 gram is already given in gram. Okay. Now see, 9 kg. So we will convert it 9 into 1000 gram. Okay, plus 870 gram. 9 into 1000 gram, you will get 9000 gram. 9000 gram plus 870 gram. 9000 plus 870, we will get 9870 gram. So this is how we convert. ठीक है, क्या किया? सबसे पहले 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. This we have written. Now what next? अब क्या था हमारा क्वेश्चन था 9 kg 870 gram. So what we have done? 9 kg plus 870 gram. 9 kg 870 gram means it consists of 9 kgs and 870 grams. अच्छा, अब 870 gram is already given in gram. So what we will do? We will convert 9 kg only. So converting 9 kg we will get 9 into 1000 gram. 9 into 1000 gram. 9 into 1000 gram we will get 9000 gram. Adding 9000 gram and 870 gram we will get 9870 grams. Okay. Now let's see the other question. Now the other question is 7 kg 263 gram. ठीक है, and in this you have to add 1 kg 335 gram. Okay, come on, do the addition. Do the addition, come on. Completed? Okay, let us see how we can do it. First of all, we will make two headings, that is kg and gram. Now kg gram, अब इसके नीचे क्या करेंगे, हम ये यूनिट्स उतार देंगे, नंबर सब सेम वहां पे क्या करेंगे, लिख देंगे. So kg, how many kg, how much kg? 7 kg and 263 gram. In this you have to add 1 kg 335 gram. 1 kg 335 gram. Now add them together. Come on, let us add them together. Okay. So we'll start from here. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 we will get 8. So we'll write 8 here. Next we are having 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 we'll get 7, 8, 9. Next is 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. We'll get 5. And at kg place we are having 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1, adding 7 and 1 you will get, 8. So our answer here will be 8 kg 598 gram. 8 kg 598 gram. Come on, note it down. Yes, note it down, come on. Okay, so here our answer is 8 kg 598 gram. Now if we want to convert it, if we want to convert 8 kg 598 gram into gram, what we will do? Let's see. kg 598 gram. We have to convert this into gram. Okay, let's see how we can convert it. First line we will write 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Now 8 kg 598 gram equals to 8 kg plus 598 gram. Now 8 अब क्या 598 ग्राम तो ऑलरेडी ग्राम में है. What we will do now? So we will convert only 8 kg. What we will do? We will convert only 8 kg. चलो let us do. So converting 8 kg we will get 8 into 1000 gram and here we will add 598 gram. 8 into 1000 gram we will get 8000 gram. Okay. And plus 598 gram. Adding these two together, what we will get? When we will add these two together, what we will get? 8000 plus 598. 8598 gram. Okay. So this is what? This is our answer. Okay. Good. Note it down. Now the next topic that we are going to do is the topic that will consist of addition with carrying. Okay, with 3 grouping. So note it down first and then we will move to the next question. Okay. Acha. So next question we are going to take is 4 kg 139 gram. 4 kg 139 gram plus 4 kg 957 gram. Chalo, come on. Do this question. What you have to do first? First of all, what we will do? First of all, we will make two headings. Heading, that is kg and gram. Okay. Let's see. सबसे पहले kg ग्राम की दो डिफरेंट हेडिंग, तो चलो बनाते हैं. kg gram. Okay. Now 4 kg 139 gram. 4 kg 139 gram. In this we will add 4 kg 957 gram. Okay. Add them together. Let's see. So we'll start from here. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Adding 9 plus 7 you will get 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 plus 7 we will get 16. Okay. So let us write. So 16. So for 16 we will write here only 6 and we will give a carry to the next place. Here we are having 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 and plus 1 carry equals to 5 plus 3, 8, 1, 9. So we'll write here 9. Again at 100 place we are having 9 plus 1. That is 1 plus 9. We will get 10. 1 plus 9 we will get 10. So for 10 what we will write here? We will write 0 and we will give 1 carry here. 0 and 1 carry here. Now what we will do? We will add these together. 4 plus 4 plus 1. 4, 4, 8, 1. 9. So the answer is 9 kg 96 gram. 9 kg and 96 gram is the answer. Note it down. Then we will see the conversion also. Note it down and then we will see the conversion of this question. Come on, note it down. Okay. So let us see the conversion. kg 6 gram. Okay. We have to convert this into gram. So first line will remain the same. First line will be 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Now 9 kg 96 gram equals to, see, 9 kg 96 gram means 9 kg kg plus 96 gram. 0 here we will avoid, right? We will not write 0 here. Now 9 kg 96 gram. So we will convert 9 here. 9 into 1000. 9 into 1000 gram and plus 96 gram. 9000 plus 96 gram. Together we will get 9096 gram. Okay, 9096 gram will be the answer. Come on, note it down. Completed? Do it first. Now the next question that we are going to take, that question is of word problem. Okay, one question we will discuss of word problems also. So I am going to erase this. Question is, Jason purchased 7 kg 200 gram of sugar and 9 kg 125 gram of rice. Okay. Next is, what is the total weight which Jason carried? What is the total weight which Jason carried? Okay, come on. Solve this question. Read the question once. So this question states that Jason purchased 7 kg 200 gram of sugar and 9 kg 125 gram of rice. Okay, 2 items he has purchased. Now, what is the total weight which Jason carried? तो देखो, जब हम लेंथ पढ़ रहे थे, जब मनी पढ़ रहे थे, तब हमने स्टेटमेंट किससे बनाया था? जब मनी पढ़ रहे थे तो हम स्टेटमेंट बनाते थे अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, ठीक है, कॉस्ट ऑफ. जब लेंथ पे आए तब हमने बनाया लेंथ ऑफ. अब जब वेट पे आए तो वी कैन मेक स्टेटमेंट या तो वेट ऑफ और क्वांटिटी ऑफ. ठीक है, चलो. सो वी विल यूज वेट ऑफ. लेट्स सी. First item that he has purchased is 7 kg and 200 gram of sugar. So weight of sugar equals to 7 kg 200 gram. Next is weight of rice. of rice is 9 kg 125 gram. Next is total weight. Next is what? Total weight. Now add them together to find out the total weight. Come on, find out the total weight. Okay, let's see. 5 plus 0 we will get 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. This much is gram. And 9 plus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. So, at kgs place we will get 16 kg. So, the total weight carried by Jason is 16 kg 325 gram. So, I am going to repeat this question. This question states that Jason purchased 7 kg 200 gram of sugar and 9 kg 125 gram of rice. What is the total weight which Jason carried? Okay? Now, weight of sugar equals to 7 kg 200 gram. Weight of rice equals to 9 kg 125 gram. टोटल वेट क्या किया? दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. ठीक है, दोनों जो वेट थे शुगर के एंड राइस के हमने क्या किया? दोनों को हमने ऐड कर दिया. एंड व्हाट वी हैव गॉट हियर एज आंसर 16 kg 325 gram. Okay, 16 kg 325 gram we have got as answer. Come on, note it down. Okay, completed. So our answer is 16 kg 325 gram. Now, if we have to convert 16 kg 325 gram into gram, what we will do? If we have to convert 16 kg 325 gram into gram, what we will do? Our first line will remain same, that is 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. Now we are having 16 kg 325 gram. Equals to 16 kg plus 325 gram. So you will get 16 into 1000 plus 325 gram. 16 into 1000 you will get 16,000 gram plus 325 gram. Okay. Now what? Adding these two together you will get your answer. है ना? 16,325 gram. So see, today we have done these questions based on addition. Now tomorrow we will start our book exercise. Okay.